Good day, everyone. It's another tutorial. For today, it's You Got It On by Justin Timberlake. There are 4 chords to the song. The first chord is a C major 7. Now, the C major 7 is X3, 5, 4, 5, 3. C major 7. The second chord is an E minor 7. It's just 0, 2, 0, 0, 0, 0. E minor 7. The third chord is an F major 7. F major 7 is 1X, 2 to 1X. And the fourth and final chord is a G. 3, 5, 5, 4, 3, 3. And it's the same 4 chords in the entire song, from the verse to the pre-chorus to the chorus, even to the bridge and outro. Now, in terms of count, you essentially have a C major 7 with 8 counts. 1 count, however, in the last and 8 count, you can substitute the C major 7 with an E minor 7, which is just really a transition chord. Just one strum before you go to the third chord, which is an F major 7 of 4 counts. And then the last chord is a G with also 4 counts. So it's really an 8-4-4 count, but in the last count of the C major 7, I substitute it with an E minor 7. It's just good transition to the F major 7. Okay, let me show you. C major 7, E minor 7, F major 7, and G. Again, C major 7, E minor 7, F major 7, G. So as beginner, you can actually remove the E minor 7. It just sounds much better as, it's just leading to the F major 7 chord. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. C major 7. E minor 7. F major 7. G. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. You can also change the strumming. So now we know the chords that are used, the finger positioning, and then the counts or the strumming. So now we can do the cover of the song. And I'll show you. So this is how it's done. 1, 2, 3, 4. The day you're born, they pick you up and wrap you up. So cold, but so hot, everything melts on you. It's so cool, you ain't got nothing, baby. Cause I know what you do, girl, let's go coordinate. First I take you out, then I turn around, then you back it up, ooh, like we have our own fast lane. Then I take you home, driving everywhere you want, baby. Cause I know that we're gonna end up back where we started. And you don't worry about what you wear tonight. Those heels lift you up, but you fit me right. Say it all, you already got it on. Ooh, baby, tell me what better than the two of us. Cause you by yourself is more than enough for me, honey. And I don't think you heard me, so I say, ooh. say, ooh, ooh, baby, you got it on. And it sounds like falling in love. Sounds like falling in love right now. Sounds like falling in love. Sounds like falling in love right now. It sounds like falling in love. Just like falling in love over and over again with you. You don't worry about it, what you wear tonight. Baby, you got it on. Tell me what better than the two of us? Nothing, baby, you got it. And it just fades to with the same chords, C major 7, E and F major 7, G. And it sounds like falling in love. So I will post the chords at the bottom of this song so that you can practice. I will also give the link of the actual key that Justin Timberlake used in Ultimate Guitar. Okay, till next time, bye-bye.